It's empty in the valley of your heart. The sun, it rises slowly as you walk away from all the fears and all the faults you left behind. The harvest left no food for you to eat. You can't have all you need till you see. But I've seen the same. I know there's shame in your defeat. That I will hold on hope, and I won't let you choke on the noose around your neck. And I find strength today, and I will change my ways, know my name as it's called again. Take what is yours and I'll take mine. Now let me in the truth which will refresh my broken mind. So tie me to a post on my ears. I can see where those waters through my tears. Know my home despite my faults, despite my growing. See that? But I hold on hope, and walking on your